In this video, I show you how to fix Gboard Google keyboard GIF not working or Gboard GIF not showing problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Gboard, tap on Gboard, up to date your Gboard app if available any update version. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Scroll down, find out Gboard app, tap on Gboard, tap on Force Stop, tap on OK, tap on Storage and Cache, clear storage, delete app data, delete. Now restart your phone. Now open any GIF supported app. Now tap on GIF. You can see that GIF is loading, GIF showing. Now I hope that this method fix Gboard Google keyboard GIF not working or Gboard GIF not showing problem.